Hey, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to your social studies class. I am Branka Minocha, your SST teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So, today we will be doing a revision of Chapter 1 Political Science Unity in Diversity. So, let us continue. So today in this video we will do the book exercise of our political science chapter 1 unity in diversity. We have already done the revision of this chapter. Today we will do the revision through book exercise. If you have already done, please recheck your answers. Let us first revise some important points what we have studied in this chapter. India is such a large country. Different parts of country have different customs, they have their different languages, they have their different dress, they have their different food habits. So India is divided into many societies and different people belong to different societies which have their own background, so they follow their own culture. Every society have its own culture. This culture consists of ideas, customs, and arts of their own society. Okay, so which society they belong to, the people will follow their own culture, they will follow their own ideas, they will follow their own customs. So, as there are so many festivals that are celebrated in different parts of the country, so dance and music are two important aspects of every celebration. Every festival is incomplete without dance and music. In India there are two major kinds of dances and music that are very popular, that are classical and folk. Now the next is the food grain, vegetables, and the fruits that are grown in different parts of the country. They depend upon the climate of that area, it depends upon the geographical location of that area. So that is why they are different. According to the climate of the area, the food grows are different. That is why people of different area have different food preferences. Depending upon the crop that is grown in that area, that crop will be there, that crop will be more favorite to them than the crop that is grown in different part of the India. So the next point is that land and climate are the two factors which also determine the clothes that are worn by the people of an area. That is why there is so much differences that are present in India, because geographical factors affect the diversities, differences. But despite of so many diversities that we have discussed, there is a feeling of unity that is present in each and every citizen of India. The progress in communication and transport technology has revolutionized our way of living. It has changed our standard of living. This process of technological advancement is called globalization. Globalization has resulted in spreading of information and ideas. It has brought increased the money flow, investment, and international trade. This has brought all the countries in the world into a single giant world market. They have united all the countries present in the world. So our first question is, take the correct answer. All number one is, all Indians are one despite their differences. D part, we all are one despite so much differences and diversities that are present in India. Now, second part is, India has two major kind of dances. What are they? India have two major kind of dances, classical and folk. These all that are given, Kathak and Manipuri, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Bhangra and Lavani. These are the examples of classical and folk only. So the two major kind of dances are classical and folk. Third one is, agriculture in India depends upon geographical features of the area. Now, fourth is, historical and geographical factors influence regional diversities. Both historical and geographical factors affect the diversities that are present in different regions. Fifth, large paddy fields and coconut groves are found on the coastal belt. A part, these all are found on the coastal belt of Kerala. Okay, so they are found in Kerala at the coastal belt. Then comes our second question, B part, true or false. Okay, you have to do this true or false, then you have to write the correct statements in your notebook. Okay, so B part you have to do in your notebook also. Whichever statement is false, you have to write a true statement for it. Like first is, the differences in our culture spoil our lives. No, it is a false statement, because the differences that are present in culture, they don't spoil our lives, they make our lives better. Second is, India gives no importance to dance and music in its culture. No, this is also a wrong statement. India gives a lot of importance to dance and music in its culture. Third, our heritage has few famous monuments and buildings. Yes, our heritage has famous monuments and buildings, but they have many. So this is a false statement. Most of the people in Kerala know how to read and write. This is a true statement, because in Kerala literacy rate is very high. So you have to write the true statements in your notebook. Okay, so I have given marked all the answers for you. In this slide you can see that all the answers are marked, so that it will help you if you have missed any. You have to write the true statements in your notebook of B part only. I hope with this revision, with this book exercise, all your doubts are clear regarding this chapter. If you have any, please write to me in the comment box. I will be answering to all your queries. If you have any query regarding project work or holiday homework, you can also comment in the comment box. I will be answering to all your queries there, and I will be answering in online classes also. We will be meeting. You can ask me there also. So please complete all your previous work and revise chapter which are coming for the July exams, and take good care of yourself. Thank you for watching, students.